Good evening, everyone. Good evening. So let's start the topic. So today our topic is installment in compound interest. Let's see the question. So try to solve this one. Good evening, everyone. So voice and sharing screen is okay, everyone. Audio is audible, everyone. Okay, then let's. Yes. Yeah. Good evening, everyone. Try to solve this one. Installment questions in compound interest. A man borrows rupees 2100 is to be paid in two equal installment at compound interest. Find the each installment if the rate of interest is 10% per annum. So we can solve the questions by using formula or else ratio method also we can solve. I will write by the formula. A equal to A is nothing but amount. Amount equal to X by 1 plus R percentage plus X by 1 plus R percentage whole square. So A is nothing but amount, X is nothing but installment. Where amount, what is the amount is given? 2100. Amount is borrowed 2100. We need to find out each installment. Each installment is X, where R equal to 10 percentage. 10 percentage equal to 1 by 10. So that will be equal to 1 plus R percentage. 1 plus 1 by 10. 1 plus 1 by 10 is nothing but 11 by 10. So x by 11 by 10 plus x by 11 by 10 whole square. In the next statement, next line, x by, so that will be equal to 10 goes to numerator, 10x by 11. 10 square is nothing but 100 by 11 square is nothing but 121. And the denominator we are having 11 and 121. LCM of 11 and 121 will be equal to 121. In 11 table 121 we are getting 11 times. And numerator we need to multiply 11 times. 11 into 10 equal to 110. 110x. Already it is 121. 100. So 210x divided by 121. So 2100. So 10 times x equal to 1210. Each installment will be equal to 1210. By using formula, this is the method we need to follow. Next question. Next question. So what is the other method to find out in this? What is the other formula is installment is equal to amount into bigger number divided by sum into 1 plus R percentage. So installment, we need to find out each installment. What is the amount in the sense 820 rupees? So what is the bigger number? What do you mean by sum in the sense where R percentage equal to 5 percentage? 5 percentage is 1 by 20. That is 1 plus R percentage is nothing but 21 by 20. So out of 21 by 20, which is the bigger number in the sense 21, then the sum equal to 21 plus 20 is equal to 41. 1 plus R percentage. What is the 1 plus R percentage is 21 by 20. Where 0 is cancelled, 41 2s are 82. 82 is cancelled. Each installment equal to 441. Answer is 441. This is the other method to find out. We can use by using ratio method also we can find out. I will explain that one also. Next, what is the other method to find out? Other method is R equal to 5 percentage. 5 percentage equal to 1 by 20, where principal equal to 20, amount will be equal to 21. So that is principal plus interest equal to amount 21. So how many years in the sense? Two equal installments. So that will be equal to 20 square. So here 21 square. 20 square equal to 400. 21 square equal to 441. So each installment will be same each and every year. Here installment we are getting 441. Here also to get 441, we need to multiply it. To get 441, we need to multiply here 21. So here also we need to multiply 21. So 20 into 21, this is 420. Here it will be 400. So principal sum will be equal to 420 plus 400 equal to 820. We need to equate 820 parts to 820, where one part equal to 1. Then each installment will be 441. So the answer will be equal to 441. Each installment is 441. So principal I'm equating 820 parts to 820, where one part to 1. Next question. So what is the answer here? So here amount equal to 5250, each installment equal to 14.28. How many each installment in the sense? Two equal installment, where R equal to 14.28. So that will be equal to 1 by 7. Principal equal to 7, amount will be equal to 8. So how many years in the sense? 2 years. So that is 7 square equal to 49, where 8 square equal to 64. So installment each and every year will be same. Here we are getting 64. Here also we need to get 64 in the sense we need to multiply it by 8. Here also we need to multiply it by 8. So 7 8s are 56. 56 plus 49 will be equal to 105, where 105 parts equal to 5250. So in how many times we can multiply in the sense it will be equal to 50 times. So now each installment will be equal to 64, 64 into 50. So 64 into 50 will be equal to half of 64, half of 64 equal to 32. So the answer equal to 3200. 3200 will be our answer. Each installment is 3200. Next. Anyone? So what will be the answer? Anyone? So installment equal to, we can use formula installment equal to amount into bigger number by sum into 1 plus R percentage. What is the installment? 10,143 is equal to amount we need to find out. So what is the R percentage? R percentage equal to 5 percentage. 5% will be equal to 1 by 20. So that is 1 plus 1 by 20 will be equal to 21 by 20. Out of 21 by 20, bigger number equal to 21, sum equal to 41 into 21 by 20. Do the simplification, we will get the answer. So here 21 table. So 21 ones are 21 fours are. So that is 10143 divided by 21. So 21 fours are 84. The remainder is 174. 21 fours next to 21 eights. So that will be equal to 168. Remainder is 63. So that will be equal to 3 times 483. Again 21 times. So how many times we can cancel in the sense? 21 twos are 42, 21 threes are 63. So we need to multiply these two. 41 into 2 equal to 820. 820 into 2, 23. 23 into 0 equal to 0. 23 into 2 will be equal to 46. 23 into 8 equal to 20 into 8 equal to 160. 3 into 8 equal to 184. 184 plus 4 equal to 186. 186 here we are having 24. So total answer will be equal to 42, 184 and 4, 180, 188. So 42 and 860. Answer will be equal to total answer is 42,860. 42,860. Next. So what is the answer here? Anyone, can you please tell me what is the answer here? Anyone? Where R percentage equal to 10 percentage. So that will be equal to 1 by 10. Where principal equal to 10, amount equal to 11 and 2 equal installment. So this will be 100. It will be equal to 121. So initially is also it has to be 121. To get 121, we need to multiply 11 times. Here also we need to multiply 11 times. It will be equal to 110. So it is already 100. So each installment equal to 121 and 121. Here is given 121 will be equal to 5808, where 121 parts equal to 5808. It is cancelled by 11 table. So how many times we can cancel in the sense? So 12 5s are 60. In 121 table, we can cancel by in one table 8 we are getting 8 times. So what is the rest of the value in the sense? 12 into 4 equal to 48. 12 into 5 equal to 60. So 58 is lies between 40 and 50. 58 is lies between 40 and 50. and the unit digit is ends with 8 will be equal to in between 40 and 50 unit digit is ends with 8 will be equal to only one thing, so that will be equal to 48. In 121 table it is getting 48 times. So what is the principal we are having in the sense 110 plus 100 equal to 210, amount equal to 242. So how much interest is charging in the sense we need to take the principal and amount difference, so that is CI. So difference equal to 32, where one part equal to 48, we need to multiply 32 parts. So 2 8s are 16. So answer is ends with 6. Only one option is ends with 6. That will be equal to 1536. Answer will be equal to rupees 1536. 48 into 32 equal to 1536. Yes, answer is 1536. Next. So what is the answer here? Answer is 864. A man borrows rupees 1820 payback with compound interest at 20% per annum, where R equal to 20% per annum will be equal to 1 by 5, where principal equal to 5, amount will be equal to 6. How many years in the sense 3 years? So initially 5 and 6 and next will be equal to 5 square will be equal to 25 if I take 2 years. So 25, so it will be equal to 6 square equal to 36. So it will be equal to 3 years in the sense 5 cube. 5 cube equal to 125. Here it will be 6 cube equal to 216. So each and every installment will be same. So third year will be equal to 216 in the sense second year is also same thing. To get 216 we need to multiply 6. To get 216 we need to multiply 36 times. So everything is same 216 216. Here also we need to multiply 36. Here also we need to multiply 6 times. 36 into 5 will be equal to 180. 25 into 6 will be equal to 150. And later it will be equal to 125. So total will be equal to 5, 10, 15. So that will be equal to 455. So 455 parts will be equal to 1820. In 5 table 0 we are getting 4 times. So that will be equal to, so for every even numbers we are getting 0. So that is 5 twos are 5 fours are 5 six are. So why I am saying 4 in the sense? So if you look at 4 twos are 8. So more than 8. 4 fours are 16. It is nearby 16. So why can't we 6 in the sense 4 6 are 24? It is far away from 18. So directly it will be 4 parts. So next, what is asking each installment? What is the each installment we are having? 216. 216 into 4 equal to rupees 864. Answer is 864. Next. Yes, answer is, what is the answer? 3615. Let's see what is the answer. So we can't go with the ratio method here. Why? Because where R percentage equal to 4 percentage, 4 percentage equal to 4 by 100 will be equal to 1 by 25. So 25 and 26. So 2 times in the sense 625, 676. 3 times in the sense 156, 25. But so 26 cube will be equal to complication. Again, we need to multiply. It will be some difficult to multiply. What is the other method in the sense? So where R percentage equal to 1 by 25. So that will be equal to 1 plus R percentage equal to 26 by 25. And the reverse of this will be equal to 25 by 26. So that will be equal to 1 is to initially 1, and later we need to write 25 by 26 is to 25 by 26 whole square. So we have seen the formula amount equal to x by 1 plus r percentage whole. This is the method we are writing directly. So that will be equal to 1 is to 25 by 26. 25 square equal to 625 divided by 676. And the LCM is 676. 676 ones are 676. 26 into 26 equal to 676. And we need to multiply 25 into 26. 25 into 26 will be equal to 625 plus 25 equal to 650. And here it will be 625. So each installment equal to amount. What is the amount? 9755. And the bigger number equal to 676. Sum we need to add all the values 676, 650, 625. So 6 plus 5 equal to 11. 7 plus 2 equal to 10, 15, 18, 1951. 1951 into 1 plus r percentage. So that will be equal to 26 by 25. So how many times we can multiply in the sense? So it will be equal to, do the simplification. In 19 table, 975 directly. In 19 table, 5 times. 1951 into 5. So in one table also I am getting 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 fives are 25. 9 fives are 45, 47. So that will be equal to 5 times. 5 ones are 5 fives are. Now we need to multiply everything. 676 into 26 divided by 5. So 676 into 26. What will be the value in the sense? 676 into 26 will be equal to 17576 divided by 5. So that will be equal to half. Half will be equal to 3515.20. Each installment equal to 3515.20. It's not 3615. It's 35. Yes, answer is 3515. Next. So what is the answer here? A loan of rupees 2550 is to be paid back with interest of 8% per annum. Two equal half-yearly installment. Find each installment. It will be very easy one. So the answer will be equal to 1352. So where R equal to 8 percentage. 8 percentage, half of 8 percentage equal to 8 by 2. 4 percentage. 4 percentage equal to 4 by 100 will be equal to 1 by 25. So 25, 26, 25 square equal to 625 and 676. Each installment is same in the sense here we need to multiply 26. Here we need to multiply 26. 26 into 25 equal to 650 and 625 will be equal to 1275. 1275 it is equal to 2550 will be 2 times and each installment is 676 multiplied by 2. 6 twos are 2, so answer is 4 digit answer, only one option. So the answer equal to 1352. Answer is 1352. Next, a man borrows rupees 6000 rupees at 5% interest rate on reducing balance at start of the year. If he pays 1200 rupees at the end of each year, Find the amount of loan outstanding at the beginning of the third year. So what is the amount is borrowed 6,000 and the rate of interest is 5 percentage. What is the 5% of 6,000 will be equal to 300. So total amount we need to pay, he has to pay 6,300 at the end of the year. But he is giving 1,200 at the end of each year. So that will be 1,200 is equal to 5100. Again on that 5100, 5 percentage. What is the 5 percentage is nothing but 255. So total answer will be equal, total value equal to 5355. Again 1200 is paid. This will be first year. So this will be second year. So at the beginning of third year, in the sense this will be the third year beginning. So the answer equal to 4155. Answer is 4155. So what is the answer here? A man borrows 6,000 rupees at 10 percentage per annum. So 6,000 at 10 percentage per annum will be equal to 600. Initially 6,000, 10 percentage, 600, double 600 is paying 2,000. So 4,600. Again 10 percentage. What is the 10 percentage in the sense? 460. So if I add all the values, 460, so 5,060. Again is paying 2,000. So the balance will be equal to 3060. So the answer is 3060. It's 3060, I think. Just look at here. Okay. At the end of third year, right? At the end of third year, again 10 percentage. So it will be equal to 306, 3366, 3366. Next, we'll start with another topic, that is time and work topic. Let's start time and work. So what do you mean by time and work? Time and work is basically the time taken to complete a piece of work in certain time. So okay. So in time and work, we are having different topics, we are having subtopics, we are having where two persons are working together, man leaving and joining, alternate day working, efficiency, man days. So we'll discuss each and everything. First of all, we'll go with the basic introduction of time and work. What is the basic introduction of time and work? Initially, I will explain basic concept of time and work. After that, I will explain what is the method we need to follow in time and work. So in time and work, we are having number of methods. Each and every method we are having some formula. So, but we can't remember each and every formulas. So we need to solve total time and work in LCM concept only. What is the LCM concept? What is the basic method? Each and everything I will explain here. Just look at here. A alone can complete total work in X days. A alone can complete total work in some X days. B alone can complete total work in some Y number of days. And the question will be in how many days, in how many days A and B together can complete the work. In how many days A and B together can complete the work. So how we can solve in the sense, I will go with the basic concept. What is the basic concept behind time and work? A alone can complete total work in some X number of days. Now, what is the basic concept in the sense? First of all, we need to solve by using what is the 1 day work of A. A alone some X number of days. What is the 1 day work in the sense? That is 1 by X. What is the 1 day work of B will be equal to 1 by Y. So how we are writing 1 by X and 1 by Y in the sense? Just imagine a person can eat 5 idlis in 5 minutes. And now one idli will he can eat in 1 minute. So what about two idlis in the sense 2 minutes? The same way, so total 5 idlis 5 minutes. One idli will be equal to 1 minute. So what is the fraction in the sense 1 by 5 and 2 by 5? Two idlis will be equal to 2 by 5. Same concept we are seeing here. A alone can complete total work in some X number of days. 1 day work will be equal to 1 by X. Now we are finding 1 day work of A and B. What is the 1 day work of A and B? 1 by X plus 1 by Y. What is the LCM? X and Y. Already we are having X in the sense numerator is Y. Already we are having Y in the sense numerator is X. So sum of numerator is X plus Y by X into Y. So 1 day will be equal to X plus Y by XY. So this is 1 day work. We need to find out total in how many days A and B together can complete the work. Just look at here again. A alone can complete total work equal to some X number of days. 1 day work will be equal to 1 by X. So total work, reciprocal of total work, we are getting 1 day work. Reciprocal of 1 day work, I am getting total work. Here also same thing. Total work done by A plus B equal to reciprocal of 1 day work. What is the reciprocal of 1 day work? XY by X plus Y. This is the formula for only A alone can complete the work. B alone can complete the work. In how many days A and B together can complete the work in the sense XY by X plus Y. If total A plus B plus C, three persons are working together, then the formula will be equal to XYZ by XY plus YZ plus ZX. So this is the formulas, but we are not using any formula. So we'll see one basic question by using this basic method only. A alone can complete the work in some 20 days. B alone can complete total work in some 30 days. In how many days A and B together can complete the work? In the sense, don't do the average of 20 and 30. The average of 20 and 30, we are getting 25. Already you mentioned A alone itself 20 days, B alone itself 30 days. These two are working together, then the number of days will be, so whatever the number of days less, A alone only taking 20 days. If these two are working together, answer will be less than 20. Answer will be less than number of 20 working days. So what is the 1 day work of A? 1 day work of A equal to 1 by 20. 1 day work of B equal to 1 by 30. Now 1 day work of A and B equal to 1 by 20 plus 1 by 30. Now the LCM equal to 60. In 2 table 60 I am getting 3 times. In 3 table 6 I am getting 2 times. 3 plus 2 equal to 5 by 60. 5 by 60 equal to 1 by 12. 1 day work of A and B equal to 1 by 12. And the total work done by A plus B equal to reciprocal will be equal to 12 days. If I use formula directly, I will get the formula. So that will be equal to xy by x plus y, where x is nothing but 20 into 30 and the sum equal to 50. 0, 0 is cancelled, 5 fours are 20. So the answer equal to 12 days. Now we'll see one question. A alone can complete the work in 15 days. B can do it in 20 days. In how many days both A and B together can complete the work? A alone will be equal to 15. B alone equal to 20. So A alone is taking 15 days, B alone is taking 20 days. In the sense, A and B together, how much work they are doing, we don't know. So in the sense, we are taking LCM of 15 comma 20. What is the LCM of 15 comma 20? 60 units. So both of them are working 60 units of work. Both of them are doing 60 units of work. A can complete 60 units of work in 15 days. What is the 1 day work of A in the sense? So that is efficiency of A. How much work A is doing? Is nothing but total work by number of days. 60 by 15 equal to 4. And the B equal to 60 by 20. 60 by 20 equal to 3. So that is A equal to 4, B equal to 3. Efficiency of A equal to 4 units per day. Efficiency of B equal to 3 units per day. Then total A and B together. A and B together equal to 4 plus 3 is equal to 7 units per day. Then finally is asking in how many days A and B together can complete the work. That is total work by efficiency of A and B, where total work will be equal to 60 and the efficiency of A and B equal to 7. So the answer equal to 60 by 7. In how many days these two can complete the work? In the sense 60 by 7 days, these two can complete the total work. Next, A can complete the work in 20 days, B can complete the work in 30 days, and the LCM of 20 and 30 equal to 60. So efficiency of A will be equal to, in 2 tables 6 I am getting 3 times, in 3 tables 6 I am getting 2 times. So 3 plus 2 equal to 5. Then the total number of days equal to 60 by 5. 60 by 5 equal to 12 days. Answer is 12 days. Just now we discussed, right? Answer is 12 days. Next. So here also same thing. 8 threes are 24. That is 8 6 are 48. But I'm taking in 2 table. 2 fours are 2 threes are. A alone can complete the work in 8 days. B alone can complete the work in 6 days. LCM equal to 24. In 8 table 24 3 times. In 6 table 24 4 times. So in how many days A and B together, in the sense 24 by 3 plus 4 7. 24 by 7 days. Answer is 24 by 7. So what is the answer? Anyone? No one is responding. Can you please respond? What is the answer? So again we need to take the LCM. 12, 15, 20. LCM of these three equal to 60. 12 5s are 15 4s are 2 3s are. And the sum of 5 plus 4 plus 3 equal to 12, where 60 by 12 equal to 5 days. Next. Please respond to the answers. Okay. Try to solve. So A can build a wall 15 days, B can build a wall 10 days, and C can demolish the wall for 12 days. So that will be equal to two persons are constructing a wall 15. So that is positive, and demolishing a wall is nothing but negative. So LCM again 60, 15 fours are 10 into 6, 12 into 5. 10, 10 minus 5 equal to 5. So 60 by 5. 60 by 5 equal to 12 days. So the answer equal to 12 days. Yes, answer is 24. Again, same LCM method. A equal to 12, A and B equal to 8. So LCM of 12 and 8 equal to 24. In 12 table 24 two times. In 8 table 24 three times. What we need to find out is B alone. How we are getting B in the sense A plus B minus A. Efficiency of both A and B equal to 3 units per day. Efficiency of A alone will be equal to only 2. So that is 3 minus 2 will be equal to 1. Then B alone equal to total work is 24. Efficiency of B alone equal to 1. So the answer equal to 24 is answer is 24. Next question. A alone can complete 15. A and B together 6 days. In how many days B alone in the sense LCM of 15 and 6 will be equal to 30. 15 twos are 30, 6 fives are 30. Now B alone equal to A plus B minus A. So that is 5 minus 2 equal to 3. So where B alone equal to 30 by 3 equal to 10 days. Answer is 10 days. Yes. Thank you. So what is the answer in the sense? Again, so here is given in points. So how to solve the LCM method? B alone equal to 25, A and B together equal to 7.5. So one is integer and other one is in decimal. How to do the LCM in the sense? So we'll go with 25. 7.5 can be written as 15 by 2. Now it will be very easy one. We need to take the LCM of 25 and 15. What is the LCM of 25 and 15 in the sense? 75. 75. To get 75 in 25 table, how many times we need to multiply in the sense? Efficiency equal to 3. So here we are having 75, here I am having 7.5. How many times I need to multiply in the sense? 10 times, or else in 15 table, 75 I am getting 5 times. Already we are having in the denominator is 2. So we need to multiply 2 here. If I cancel 2 and 2, so I am getting 15 into 5 equal to 75. If it is 20 by 3 RL some value, so whatever the value in the denominator, we have to write here. The sum of A and B equal to 10. We need to find out A alone, where A alone equal to A plus B minus B, where BB is cancelled A. 5 plus 2 equal to 10, 10 minus 3 equal to 7. So total work will be equal to 75, 75 by 7. So the answer is 10, 5 by 7. Next. Here A can do 75 percentage. 75 percentage is nothing but 75 by 100. 75 by 100 can be written as 3 by 4, where 3 by 4 will be equal to how many days in the sense? 9 days. So 75 percentage equal to 9 days in the sense total equal to how many days? 3 ones are 3 threes are 3 fours are 12. A alone can complete the work in 12 days. B can complete half of the work in 8 days. Then total equal to 8 twos are 16. So the LCM, if they work together in how many days? Half of the job. What is the total job? So LCM of 12 and 16 equal to 48. In 12 table 48 4 times. In 16 table 48 3 times. We need to find out So the answer is 24 by 7. Next. So what is the answer here? A can do 3/4 the job in 12 days. A can complete 3/4 of the job in 12 days. 3 ones are 3 fours are. Then total job equal to 16. In how many days he can finish 1 by 8 of the job? 1 by 8 of 16 equal to 8 ones are 8 twos are. So the answer equal to 2 days. In how many days? In the sense 2 days of work. Yes, 2 days of work. Next. So the answer is 4 days. A alone, half of the job equal to 5 days. Then total equal to 5 twos are 10. B alone, 3/5 of the job in 9 days. 3 ones are 3 threes are total equal to 15. C alone, 2/3 of the job equal to 8 days. 2 ones are 2 fours are so total equal to 12. Again LCM is 60. So 10 into 6, 15 into 4, 12 into 5. So 10 plus 5 equal to 15. 60 by 15 is equal to 4 days. Answer is 4 days. Next. Next question. A and B can complete 8 days. A and B can complete 8 days. B and C can complete 12 days. C and A can complete 8 days. Now we need to take the LCM of 8, 12, 8. LCM equal to 24 in 8 table, 24 3 times. 12 table 2 times, in 8 table 3 times. Now A is getting 2 times. So 2 times of A plus B plus C is equal to 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. So if A is doing 2 times of work, they are completing 8 units of work. If they are working only one time, in how many units they can complete, in the sense A plus B plus C equal to half of the work. If they are working 2 times, they complete 8 units. If they work for only single time, they can complete only 4 units of work. In how many days A, B, C can complete the work, in the sense total work 24 by 4 is equal to 6 days of time. So the answer equal to 6 days. Next question. So here A and B. Thus A and B together can complete the work is 72. B and C can complete will be equal to 120. C and A can complete equal to 90 days. So total equal to, what is the LCM of 72, 120, 90? So out of 72, 120, 90, highest number is 12. So multiples of 12 equal to 12 twos are 24. 24 is not getting in 9 table. 12 threes are 36. 36 is getting in 9 table. 9 fours are 36. Half of 72 will is also 36. So the LCM equal to 360. In 72, 360 will be equal to 5 times. In 12 table, 36 equal to 3 times. In 9 table, 360 equal to 4 times. Again, A is getting 2 times. A 2 times of A plus B plus C is equal to 8 plus 4 equal to 12. Then 1 time of A plus B plus C equal to 6. So total number of days equal to 360 by 6 is equal to 60 days. But so he's asking total work and also A alone. In how many days A alone? So we don't have options for A alone. A alone equal to how many days? So total A plus B plus C equal to 60 days. What is the efficiency of A plus B plus C per day? 6 units per day. We need to find out A, in the sense out of A plus B plus C, what we need to subtract to get A, in the sense we need to subtract B plus C. A plus B plus C equal to 6. If I subtract the efficiency of B plus C, that will be equal to 3. 6 minus 3 equal to A equal to 3. In how many days A alone can complete the work? A alone equal to, so total work we are having 360. Efficiency of A equal to 3. 360 by 3 equal to 120 days. 360 by 3 equal to 120 days. A alone, answer is 60. sorry, A and A plus B plus C equal to 60, but A alone equal to 60 comma 120. Answer is 60 comma 120. Next, what is the answer for this one? Can you please respond? What is the answer for here? Anyone? No one is responding. Can you please respond, anyone? What is the answer? Okay, let's see. A and B together can complete the work in 8 days. 8 days. B and C can complete the work in 12 days. A, B, C together can complete the work in 6 days. Now we need to take the LCM of these three. LCM of these three equal to 24. 8 threes are 12 twos are 6 fours are. So now what we need to find out is in how many days A and C together can complete the work. So these are the values A and B, B and C, and A plus B plus C. So from these we need to get A and C. In how many days A and C together can complete the work? Just look at here. A is having one time, B is having two times. Here A is one time, B is one time, C is also one time. So I'm taking 2 times of A plus B plus C minus A plus B plus B plus C. So that will be equal to 2 times of A, and we are getting A only. 2 times of B and 2 times of B, it will be cancelled. 2 times of C and C, it will be cancelled by, we'll get only one time. 2 times of A plus B plus C, what is the value? So that will be equal to 2 times of 6 minus, where a plus b equal to 3 and b plus c equal to 2. So that is 3 plus 2 is equal to 12 minus 5. One second. So it is 4, right? 2 4s are 8. 8 minus 5 equal to 3. So that will be equal to 24 by 3 is equal to 8 days. Answer is 8 days. In how many days A and C together can complete the total work, in the sense 8 days of work? Yeah, hello madam. So can you please respond to the answers? Next. So can you please answer this question? A can complete total work in 4 days. B can complete total work in 5 days. With the assistant of C, they can complete the work in 2 days. In the sense, A, B, C together can complete the work in 2 days. Find in how many days C alone can complete the total work. In the sense, we need to take the LCM of 452. What is the LCM of 452? 4 5s are 20. LCM equal to 20. In 4 table 20, 5 times. In 5 table 20, 4 times. In 2 table 20, 10 times. Now what we need to find out C alone, where C equal to A plus B plus C minus A plus B. A plus B plus C equal to, what is the total efficiency of these three? 10. And the efficiency of A and B equal to 9. So difference of 10 and 9 equal to 1. Where C alone in how many days, in the sense 20 by 1. 20 by 1 equal to, answer is 20 days. So these three can complete the, C alone can complete the work in 20 days. Yes, thank you. Thank you, everyone. Yes, thank you. Next up, man leaving and joining concept. man leaving and joining. So let's see the question. A completes the work in 18 days. B completes the same work in 15 days. B started the working alone and after 10 days he left. How many days A alone can complete the remaining work? Can you please answer the question? So what is the answer here? A completes the work 18 days. B completes the work 15. What is the LCM in this sense? 90. A equal to B equal to 15. So multiplication in 18 table 95 times. In 15 table 90 working alone after 10 days. What is the efficiency of B per day? 6 units per day. So total 10 days he work. 6 into 10 equal to 60 units. So total is 90. B alone is completed 60 units of work. What is the remaining work we are having? The remaining work equal to 90 minus 60. 90 minus 60 equal to 30. This 30 has to be completed by A alone. What is the one day work of A? 5 units per day. So we are having total 30 units. So this 30 units completed by A alone, 5 units per day. So that is 30 by 5 equal to 6 days. Answer is 6 days. Next. A alone can complete a piece of work in 25. B alone equal to 20 days. Now the LCM of 25 and 20 equal to 100. They work together for 5 days and then A goes away. In how many days B finish the remaining work? LCM is 100. In 25 table 100 4 times. In 20 table 100 5 times. They work for how many days? 5 days. So A and B together work for 5 days. But the efficiency of A and B together equal to 4 plus 5. So that is 9 units. 9 units per day. They work for how many days? 5 days. So that is 5 days will be equal to 9 into 5. 9 into 5 equal to 45. So what is the total work we are having? 100. So what will be the remaining work? If I subtract 100 minus 45, the remaining work will be equal to 55. In how many days B finished the work? B equal to 55 by, so one day work of B equal to 5 units. 55 by 5 equal to 11 days. Answer is 11 days. Yes, answer is 11 days. So what is the answer here? A completes a piece of work in 8 days, B completes the same work in 10 days. A equal to 8, B equal to 10. Now the LCM of 8 and 10 equal to 40. In 8 table 40 5 times, in 10 table 40 4 times. A started working alone. After 2 days, B joined him. In the sense, A started for how many days? 2 days. What is the 1 day work of A? 5 units. Total 2 days equal to 10 units. So total work will be equal to 40. A already completed 10 units of work. So remaining work equal to 40 minus 10. 40 minus 10 equal to 30 units. This 30 units has to be done by A and B together, where A equal to 5, B equal to 9. Then the sum of A plus B equal to 9 units per day. So number of days equal to remaining work by efficiency. Remaining work equal to 30, efficiency equal to 9. 30 by 9 equal to 10 by 3, 10 by 3 equal to 3, 1 by 3 days. 3, 1 by 3 days. So both together can complete the work in 10, 3, 1 by 3 days. Yes, 3, 1 by 3 days. Next, let's see. A can complete the work in 16 days. B can complete the work in 12 days. B started the work alone. 4 days before finishing the job, A joins B. So, first of all, A alone 16 days, B alone 12 days. What is the LCM in the sense? 48 units. Efficiency of A equal to 3 units. Efficiency of B equal to 4 units. So, what is saying? B started the work alone. After how many days A join in the sense? So, here B started in 4 days. In 4 days, the work is completed. Then A joins B. In the sense, A and B work for how many days in the sense? Only 4 days A and B work. Where A efficiency is 3 units, B efficiency is 4 units. A and B total efficiency equal to 7 units per day. 7 units per day. So they work for 4 days. A and B 4 days. 7 into 4 equal to 28 units. A and B equal to 28 units. Total equal to 48. Out of 48, 28 units of work is completed. So what is the remaining work we are having? 48 minus 20. 48 minus 28 equal to 20. Whatever the remaining work we are having, this has to be done by B alone. Why? Because B started the work alone. Only A and B work for 4 days. Okay, remaining work is done by B alone. So that will be equal to, so what is asking in how many days? B work for alone. So remaining work by efficiency of B equal to 4. 20 by 4 equal to 5 days. So he work alone for 5 days. B work for 5 days. A can do a piece of work in 10 days, B can do a piece of work in 12 days, C can do a piece of work in 15 days. A equal to 10, B equal to 12, where C equal to 15. And the LCM of 10, 12, 15 is 60. 10 into 6, 12 into 5, 15 into 4. So the sum will be equal to 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 5 equal to 15. If they all of they are working together, total 15 units of work is completed. Now the question is, they all start work together, but A leaves 2 days after 2 days. In the sense, these three are work for 2 days. 15 twos are 30 units of work is completed. And B leaves 3 days before the work is completed. This is the total work. A, B, C work for how many days? 3 days. Next, we are left with A and B. These two work for how many days? We don't know. But B leaves 3 days before the work is completed. In the sense, so we don't know these number of days. We know after 3 days the work is completed, in the sense. So this is the case here. Here B left. Only A is doing the work for 3 days. A is doing the work for 3 days. So B leaves 3 days before the work is completed, in the sense last 3 days is work for only A only. In how many days total work is completed? Just look at here. So initial 2 days, 30 units of work is completed. Last 3 days only A is doing. What is the 1 day work of A? 6. 3 days equal to 6 into 3 is equal to 48. 6 into 3 is 18. Sorry. 6 into 3 is 18. Total equal to 60 minus initial 2 days 30 units. Last 3 days 18. So that is 30 plus 18. 48 units of work is completed. So that is 60 minus 48 is equal to 12. So remaining 12 units of work is done by B and C together. B and C together. Here B left, but A left after 2 days. Sorry. Here A left, right? Here A left, B leaves. A left in the sense only B and C are working. B left in the sense only C is working. Only C is working for 3 days. So 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are. So that is 3 into 4 equal to 12. Out of 60, 30 plus 12 is 42 units of work is completed. Remaining we are left with 18 units of work. This 18 units of work is done by B and C together. B and C equal to 5 plus 4 is 9. So 18 by 9 equal to 2 days. So totally how many days in the sense? Initially 3 days, finally 3 days. So next will be equal to 2 days. Initially 2 days only. I have written 3, but it is 2. 2 days, finally 3 days, between 2 days. 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 2 equal to 7. So total 7 days. Total equal to 7 days. So last question for today's class. A can do some piece of work and can do 32 and C can do is 60. Where A equal to 24, B equal to 32, C equal to 60. What is the LCM of 24, 32, 60? So that will be equal to highest number is 60. 6 twos are 12. So 12, that is 120 is not getting in 32. 6 threes are 18. So 18 is also not getting in 32. 6 fives are 6 fours are 24. 24 is also not getting. So 6 fives are 300. 300 is also not getting. Just look at here. What is the answer? 24, 32, and 60. So what will be the LCM in the sense? All are cancelled by 4 table. 24, 32, 60. 4 6 are 4 8 are 4 15. So 3 table, 3 twos are 6, 3 5s are 2 table, 2 ones are 2 fours are 5s. 4 5s are 20, 20 into 2 40, 20 into 2 twos are 4, 4 threes are 12, 12 fours are 48. So LCM will be equal to 480. LCM equal to 480. LCM equal to 480. So this will be equal to in 24 table 480 20 times. In 32 table 480 15 times. 16 6 table 480 8 times. They start working together. A left after 6 days. So sum of these three will be equal to 20 plus 15 33. 33 plus 8 equal to 41. 41 into 6 will be equal to 246. 6 days. Total 6 days. Initial 6 days equal to. So 35. 35 plus 8. Sorry. 35 plus 8. 43. 43 into 6. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 258. 258. 35 and 8. 258. And B left after working for 8 days. After working for 8 days in the sense. So total number of days. Initially A left for 6 days. Next coming 2 days B left. So that will be equal to A left here. Next B and C are working together. So in that B and C work for only 2 days of work. B and C our work for only 2 days. So that is B and C equal to 15 plus 8 equal to 23. 23 into 2. 23 into 2 equal to 46. So total number of units equal to 480. Out of 480, 258 is completed. Next will be equal to 46. If I add these two values, 258 and 46 will be equal to 304. So what is the remaining number of units is nothing but 480 minus 304 will be equal to 176. This 176 is done by here A left, here B and C are working, B left. So rest will be equal to C alone, work for remaining work. So remaining work equal to 176, C alone equal to 8 units per day. 176 divided by 8 is equal to how many days in the sense? 22 days. So how many more days required to complete the whole work? So how many more days required to complete the remaining work will be equal to 22 days. Remaining work will be equal to 22 days. Answer is 22. So remaining work in the sense that is 22. So total work in the sense 22 plus 8 equal to 30 days. Okay. So that's all about today's class. Thank you everyone. Thank you.